again quickly. Learn yourself through me already. Get you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over taste, didn't call me.
What's new? It's your girl Dynamic, and I'm back with another video. For the next 24 hours, I'm gonna be traveling because I'm PCSing from South Korea to home. Then I'm PCSing to San Francisco from my house. I'm doing a personal move, but this is just a traveling from Korea to California vlog. And yeah, I got LP in the back seat with me. We both on the same flight, you know what I'm saying? Like, we going home, finally getting out of Osan. So yeah, I'm gonna just bring y'all along with me. Getting on the rotator, then we taking separate commercial flights. But yeah, I just want y'all to see just how smooth the PCS gonna go. Any military members that's out there that's PCSing, good luck to y'all and y'all PCS, y'all move, and yeah, let's get it.
I could blame it on the physical, I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back.
Look, you want me to pop up? What's up, y'all? Me and LP made it. We on the flight. Y'all here, we out here. Y'all, we got business. We got business class seats.
We're gonna show y'all when we lay down.
Yeah, we don't know how to act, but it's just we got the business class seats. So we really excited. We was just really excited, but we gonna get back to y'all when something interesting happens. Cause right now we just boarding.
Hopefully the food good.
Hopefully
I'm
the
hungry.
That's crazy. You should have breakfast.
I'm sorry, I didn't have nobody to cook me breakfast this morning. Start shooting shots and start shooting
No.
shots.
No. All right, we gonna get back to y'all.
Cause baby, it's
Y'all, just a little lunch that they came around with after I took a little nap or whatever a couple hours later. But y'all, I got the vegan option because who was finna eat some plain meat? So I end up getting a little snacky snack or whatever with the meal. And I got chips. I'm in this room with you. Yeah. Oh, we got the dream. Playing fucking Monopoly, y'all. LP done whooped me once, but not again.
It's about to happen again.
Nah.
It's about to
We got cheese and crackers in this snack, bro. The cheese in here bust.
Yo, that ass.
Cheese and crackers in here bust. What time is it, bro? It's 10:02. We got like 3 more hours left on this thing. So hopefully we make it. If not,
It's pitch black outside, so you can't see shit.
you can't see nothing out there.
Shit.
You can't see anything out there.
I don't know where I am right now.
And the little map thing not even working, so
We really don't know where
we
we
really don't know
are.
where we are. Hopefully we make it though.
But we got wine, cheese crackers, and Monopoly.
Low-key sleepy, but we'll be alright.
Just took a nap.
Okay, we gonna get back to y'all. We got breakfast. Here, open up your stuff, LP, so they can see. What's that, croissant?
Croissant, yogurt, fruit cup, Snickers.
In the morning, it's crazy.
Damn shit.
We've been burning ourselves this whole time.
Hash toasted with some sausage.
Okay, and we got the bev.
Oh yeah, and the syrup.
And the syrup.
And we gotta get some cranberry. We just had a bottle of wine too.
It's light outside. They just gave us breakfast, but it was mid 1 through 10 breakfast.
I almost threw up. You
Bruh,
saw me.
I did see you. But bro, we got cranberry and vodka. This is what we got. 'Cause we only have like an hour 30 minutes, so LP, bro. We're gonna take our cranberry vodka and then take a nap, and then we're gonna get to the airport at like, what did it say, 8:30 something?
Like 8:30. We're gonna land at 8:30. We don't got our connected flight till like noon. The last time you were at the airport, at this airport?
A year ago, so March 12th.
Oh, I'm a dumbass. Me too.
We're gonna get back to y'all.
Cause baby, it's the everything for me. For me. For me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me. Oh, for me.
Hey y'all, I finally made it to the airport after traveling for almost 24 hours. I believe I've been traveling for like 18, 20, but I made it. Look at my bag. And yeah, I'm so tired. My mom's gonna come pick me up. I wanted to surprise her, but she already knew what time I was getting here and she kept asking, so I'm gonna just have to surprise my brothers, and I'll probably put a clip of that. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have more vlogs coming out here, but this one was just like a little traveling vlog, a little mini something for y'all. So yeah, just stay tuned.
Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty.
Hey y'all, look, my big best friend picked me up. But we finna go in here and surprise BJ. Yo, he gonna be real surprised.
You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is something gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet and sugar. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ivan. Happy birthday to you.
feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Cali Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop doing what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no.
Hey y'all, it's Girl Dynamic. We made it. Y'all, my mom drove for me. She drove 7 hours to here. I made it. I'm outside the dorm right now. Oh, yeah, that was a long drive. Was it long? It's a long drive, y'all. I need to wash my car. It's bugs all on the front of my car.
Is that what you came up with?
What?
You ain't did nothing but ride for 7 hours, and all you saying is you need to wash your car.
I need to wash my car. We need to eat. I I need to get gas. I done filled up the gas like twice. But y'all look a mess. I look a mess. Look at the back of my car. I had to pack my car to the brim. Like, it was just not going. But yeah, I made it to my race. I'm not gonna show y'all the inside right now because I gotta get settled in and unpack. But I'm probably going to show y'all the unpacking. I'm probably make a different vlog for unpacking and decorating my room, cause I still gotta order stuff. I still gotta go get stuff. So yeah, y'all, I can't wait. My hair is so not curled no more. But I can't wait to get in here and show y'all whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed the travel vlog video. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know what's going on. Welcome to the dollhouse. And yeah, bye.
Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and you already know what time it is.
This shit too decent. Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shawty so bad.